welcome to the series. Today you're going to be learning about, and I'm going to show you how it looks as a small plant. So let's get started and get on with the tour. Welcome to today. Here is my pomegranate tree. Now let me see, just seeing if there was more than one tree. There's one tree here, and I've got another tree in a different spot. Well, there's another two trees in the same spot. So this one has been growing fairly well. Here it gets partly shade and a lot of sun after 12 o'clock. Sun setting in the west, so after 12 o'clock it will get sun until it sets. I haven't yet seen any flowers or fruit yet. Okay. Let's have a look at the other one. Okay, here is my other pomegranate tree. There's two trees here, and I was debating whether to try and move that one, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I disturb the roots. If I try and move one, the other one's roots are going to be disturbed, and because they've been growing like this together, because they've been growing like this together, all of their roots might be intertwined. This, I think it does love full sun, and I had to cut back my Mexican sunflower so that it wasn't blocking the sun. I mean, it still is here, so what I'm going to have to do is crop it a bit more so that it can get the sun, or move it. I might actually have to move it, move them, but I'll see how it goes. But this is pomegranate, and the leaves and the fruit are beneficial for you, and it's grown really well. So I look forward to sharing with you information about the nutritional benefits and properties at a later date. But this is how a young pomegranate tree looks like. So see you tomorrow, and have a blessed day.